All right, let's check your work on the last problem. You were asked to use the area model of division. It was started for you here, 998 divided by 7. And whoever started the problem said that first they were going to subtract 700. I know then that the side of 7 was being multiplied by the side of something to equal 700. 7 times what would give you the area of 700? 100. 7 times 100 gives you that area of 700. Then we have 298 left to move into our next box. Remember, area is the side times the side. We're thinking of our area model to help us with division. Here then I have 298 in the next box. That's like my area. 7 times what would give me the area of 298? I don't know exactly, so I decided to use the number 30 because I do know that 7 times 3 is 21, and I move over one place value if I do 7 times 30. So 210 seemed pretty close to 298. You could have a different number up here if you had another answer in mind. Maybe you wanted to break it up just and say 7 times 10. Then your boxes would have continued further out than mine, and that's okay. 7 times 30 was 210. That's what I decided to go for. And that left me 88 that I had not yet used. So I moved that to the next box. So far, I had accounted for 700 plus 210, and now I needed to account for the other 88 parts of my division problem. In this case, we're talking about money, so this would be $88. 7 times what gives me 88, or close to it. Again, you can use a friendly number without having to know the exact answer. 7 times 10 is 70. That seemed close to 88. So I decided to make this dimension 10. 7 times 10 gives me that 70. Now I just have $18 in this case for the story problem left to work with. 7 times what gets me to 18? I can count by sevens. 7, 14, 21. Oh, 21's too much. I need to stop when I get to 18. So 7 times 2 is 14. That's the closest I could get. 18 minus my 14 gives me 4. Interesting. I can't do anything with that 4. So that indicates to me it's a remainder. Again, tomorrow we'll talk about remainders. We just want to get the idea that sometimes when you're splitting things up, you might not get to split them equally for each person or each group, and that's okay. Let's see then how I can complete this problem. I need to add across the top to know that 7 times the total across the top equaled my total area. 7 times 130, 42. 7 times 142, and that remainder of 4 that's left over would equal 998. So the 7 grade levels are sharing $998. Each grade will get 142 of those dollars, and there'll be $4 left over. With that $4 left over, they might have to break it into some coins, some change in order to share it. Today we're going to move into another method as well. You'll see some similarities between the two and some differences as well. This is the area model of division. And next, you'll be focusing on the box model.